With JOVE, planning the electrification of a village is easy. JOVE distribution has a special module for planning the network necessary to provide electricity to a lot of users from a single source. For a village, for example, JOVE has the necessary utilities to capture a Google Earth image at maximum zoom. The source can be a substation that will feed transformers via medium voltage lines, a transformer or a wind farm that will feed domestic or professional users, as well as public lighting via low voltage lines. On the captured image, the user will be able to spot every building or concession that might request electricity. A field survey will then determine the power of the meters to be installed for each user and whether it should be mono or three phases. Once the results of that survey have been entered, an optimum position of the source of electricity can be proposed by the program. Then the user will be able to draw all the necessary lines, the final branch of each user being automatically created each time a pole is less than a given distance from a user. A single click will be enough to generate for the entire network the installation on the poles of public lighting and of grounding. A utility will then be able to balance the connections of single-phase users, and the size of the connectors needed for each branch will be adapted so that the voltage drop remains admissible at the end of each branch. A table designed by ASER, which is responsible for rural electrification in Senegal, will indicate the cumulative powers at each support for the domestic, professional and public lighting usage, as well as the rate of use of each portion of conductors. An electric plan representing all the network can then be plotted. If the stronger type information has been correctly entered in the database, the necessary size of all poles and crossarms can then be set almost automatically. The operator only have minor changes to make. Eventually it will be possible to produce a complete and detailed material balance sheet for the entire network and to edit a complete map for the electrified area, a village for example. No other software in the world has such a tool allowing to plan and accelerate the design of rural electrification.